What's up, guys? It's As Josh Sees It here. Wanted to give you guys a quick little moto vlog update. We are here in Conifer, Colorado. It's about 8,000 feet up in elevation, about 30 minutes outside of Denver, Colorado. We are in the middle of a 10-day, 3,000-mile motorcycle journey. We are about 2,200 miles into that journey. It is day number 7 out on the open road, and we are having a blast. Wanted to share with you guys some quick footage as we left South Dakota yesterday, made our way down to Colorado, just had some beautiful scenery. Looking forward to sharing with you guys the full video in the next few days. Hope you guys enjoy.